Hello and welcome to the very first 360 Tech video. Today we are going to be connecting a MIDI keyboard to your Mac so you can use it with Logic Pro. Logic Pro is a digital audio workstation sold by Apple and is used to record and edit digital music. For instructions on how to make a basic song with Logic, click the link at the end of this video or down below in the description. Now for our materials. First, we will need a Mac with the Logic Pro software. Next, we will need a MIDI keyboard. You can use any keyboard as long as it has these two MIDI ports, which we will use in a second. Lastly, we will need a MIDI to USB cable. There are many of these you can buy, and most of them should work as long as they have this USB connector joined to these two MIDI connectors. Okay, now that we have the materials we need, let's do it. First, we will connect the Mac and keyboard. Connect the USB end of the cable to the USB port on your Mac. Next, connect the MIDI out on your cable to the MIDI in on your keyboard, and connect the MIDI in on your cable to the MIDI out on your keyboard. This may seem counterintuitive, but once again, it's the out on your cable to the in on your keyboard, and the in on the cable to the out on your keyboard. Now, run the Logic Pro software on your Mac. Then, create a new project and choose Software Instrument. Now, if you turn on your keyboard, you should be able to play through your Mac. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. For more on Logic and making a basic song, click on the video below.